We're here today because it's a great day for KUKA. We have opened our office on the West Coast, where it's including a tech center, which is maybe one of the main things for us for the future, fits with our future strategy. It also includes the college service and also a spare part hub as well. I think the difference on the West Coast is how people actually here are thinking and how they're approaching things. I think they're much more open to new things, to working in a different way. And based on that, there's also a great opportunity for us to learn and evolve our company and driving for sustainable business for the future.
Well, the diversity of industry in this area is really second to none. You have all of the big players in the electronics business. The innovation here drives the innovation in the world. We also have an automotive company here, so we wanted to be close to that customer base. Yeah, some of the more traditional industries like automotive are very mature in terms of automation and robotics. Those that are newer to automation, they usually require some help from their suppliers in how to automate. So one of the reasons we opened up a tech center here is that we can collaborate with our customers, we can do demonstrations, we can do joint development projects that in a secure and confidential environment to help them be more competitive.
It's a huge benefit for us because of our geographic location. So a lot of our customers say are in the Southwest. There are sometimes when they say, can you do a prototype or a proof of principle? And instead of having to fly them to Michigan to see something, the fact that you guys are here is going to be a huge advantage. It's really going to help us.
The West Coast is a very unique area for robotics. Unique companies. We have electric car companies out here that are booming. You have a lot of medical robotics happening out here. You have the arts and entertainment industry. And I think KUKA moving out here is going to just solidify that relationship with those type of companies to have a presence right in the area and help make those companies, utilize robots in a way that makes sense for them.
First of all, it's hard to bring a robot, out into a customer's floor, right, and show them a complete solution. But this is a great location where we can show how Cognex can work with KUKA robots and provide a complete solution to both of our customers, and in the end, get our customer to their goals faster, which is good for everybody.
Time is precious in any engineering space, as you know. So the time to take an engineer, to fly them off site, to get training on these systems, it's a big commitment. To bring them locally down here for a day to get the training we need to get back on site is huge. And for KUKA to make that investment to bring all of this technology to this area, to support the local area, is only going to benefit and help the surrounding industries. So we see it as a huge, huge benefit, and we are definitely going to be taking advantage of this.
If you look at this area on the West Coast, in the Fremont area, we have large global companies that may want to develop applications here, but they may want to take those applications and replicate them elsewhere in the world. So it's important to be close to the headquarters here, but be able to implement that technology either here in the US or anywhere in the world.
You're bringing in advanced manufacturing and robotics, and that's kind of the wave of the future. This is going to give a lot of our residents an opportunity to learn and to be trained on these machines and to provide them a good, healthy career going forward.
Well, we're very excited. We always look forward to great partnerships. And what I can see from touring KUKA and seeing the facility is that there's such a room for opportunity in providing that training and working closely with so many of our manufacturers. Having this ecosystem, whether it's working with venture capitalists or testing and innovation, a lot of it comes from being able to bump together and work on solutions, and that's one of the things I think that KUKA has as a strength.
A lot of the trends that are driving robotics forward in areas like artificial intelligence, machine learning, mobility, a lot of the major research organizations are out here on the West Coast. A lot of innovative startup companies are out here on the West Coast. And a lot of established companies now are on the West Coast. So the fact that you see companies like KUKA and others opening up shop in Silicon Valley is a testimony to how important this region is throughout the world.
So for KUKA, this is a really good opportunity to actually learn and work with some of these entrepreneurs, because that's actually what it is. The whole region is full of entrepreneurs. And it's becoming a key thing for us as well, coming in here, utilizing our knowledge on application know-how, and together with them, being the expert of their products, developing ready-to-use packages or solutions that would fit their business for the future. So it's not only about the robot. Of course, in the end, we're interested in the robot as well, but we also want to take it to the next level of our journey.
Orange Intelligenz.